On this accord, U0100 means the multipurpose camera unit may have lost communication with the PCM. The vehicle may show warning messages, camera-related functions may be unavailable, or the fault may only show up intermittently. Broadly, this can involve the communication wiring between the camera unit and the PCM connector or terminal condition, the PCM side of the circuit, or the camera unit itself. Before getting into the pinpoint checks, start with the basic system checks and make sure there is not a bigger system issue steering the diagnosis. Start by verifying the problem. Turn the vehicle to the on mode, clear the DTC with the HDS, then turn the vehicle to the OFF lock mode. Turn it back to the on mode and wait for at least 5 seconds, then check for DTCs again with the HDS. If U0100-00 is indicated again, the failure is duplicated and you move into the circuit check. If it does not come back, treat it as an intermittent fault. The system is okay at this time, and if captured data is available, try to reproduce the fault under those same conditions instead of guessing. With the fault duplicated, check the FCAN low and FCAN high circuits for an open between the multipurpose camera unit and the PCM. Turn the vehicle to the OFF lock mode and wait 2 minutes. Disconnect the multipurpose camera unit 20P connector and PCM connector A, 51P. Then check continuity between the camera unit connector and the PCM connector. On the 4K24W1 application, check multipurpose camera unit 20P terminal no. 13 to PCM connector a terminal no. 1. And multipurpose camera unit 20P terminal no. 2 to PCM connector a terminal no. 2. If there is continuity, the FCAN wiring is okay for this check, and you continue to the PCM substitution check. If there is no continuity, repair the open in the wire between the multipurpose camera unit and the PCM. Next, reconnect the multipurpose camera unit 20P connector and PCM connector A, 51P. Substitute a known good PCM. Clear the DTC with the HDS. Turn the vehicle to the OFF lock mode. Then turn it back to the on mode and wait for at least 5 seconds. Check for DTCs with the HDS again. If U0100-00 is still indicated with the known good PCM in place, check for loose terminals and poor connections at the multipurpose camera unit 20P connector. If those connections are okay, replace the multipurpose camera unit. If U0100-00 is not indicated after the known good PCM is installed, replace the PCM. Takeaway: verify U0100 first, prove the FCAN wiring between the camera unit and PCM, then use the known good PCM check to separate a PCM side fault from a camera unit side fault. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.